Oh, is someone coming over? You have a visitor?
Will Dr. Reed be back soon?
Fucking better be. It's
Oh.
taking way too long.
And Bob is?
Janitor for this place. If you tried taking a shower, you'd know the water's out. Bob went to get it back on.
Hey, you try fighting hundreds of zombies. See what you smell like. Okay, I could use a shower.
Oh, Elliot's met your dad?
I'll go see what's taking Bob so long.
Are my ears working? Did someone just offer to help out? That would be great. We won't last long without fresh water. Bob was headed for the janitor's office. Downstairs, behind the stores.
I'll find it.
Oh crap, cool. I swear dude, this level really reminds me of that Left 4 Dead 2 level. But it's only because it's in a mod too, I think. I think it's just because, I don't know. Maybe it's a homage. Oh yeah, dude. Which Halo? MCC or Infinite? Oh, I mean, there's gonna be tryhards, yeah, but I feel like MCC has more. Yeah. That's weird. How much health did you have? No, not me. Are you down? Oh, okay. No, no. Oh! Is your mom gonna stay at your place, you think, or? Oh, cool. Oh yeah? Does it feel like that? Does it feel like that? That's nice. Oh man, I'm down too. How's it feel to get a brother-in-law? Like, does it feel different? Thank you. I haven't really met him. I've just met him that one time. And unfortunately, with Uncle Aaron, remember? And unfortunately, we were all really tipsy. Or drunk. We were drunk, not tipsy. So... he probably thinks ill of me. He's like, what? That one drunk cocksucker? And I'm gonna come out and be like, that's right! No, I'm joking. Oh, dude, that wasn't me. Did someone do that? Oh, okay. That'd be crazy. Oh yeah, it's done here. Yeah. I've heard, but I'm kind of neutral. Just I think we talked about it. Just how like uh he kind of like tends to exclude Alicia's side of the family. Like a like a like a friend. Keep this between us because I'm pretty sure Grandma doesn't want like people to know she was apparently a little bit butthurt because apparently she had plans with Alicia this week, but at the last minute she like kind of flaked on Grandma. And I was like, what? I was kind of shocked. And then my dad told me, she was like, yeah, it was probably because of Fred or something. But I don't know. I don't kind of don't trust my dad and what he says. So, yeah. Join us? What the hell? It's gonna be my first cousin wedding. My other cousin got married, but he got married in the pandemic, and I didn't go. Like literally, this was before the vaccine came out, and I was like, I'm not gonna risk it. Yeah. They try to convince me that like it's open bars. Like, pfft. It's probably worse. We accidentally shared drinks or something like that. Yeah, I don't want to risk it at the time. So the last family wedding I went to was that one in oh no, but it was a renewal vows, right, in Mexico. I think you went to, remember? Like a long time ago. When we went to Mexico. I think you went too. I'm pretty sure you went. Didn't you go too? We were maybe you went to I think so. I think we stay at some family's place though. I do remember seeing like Mega Man Battle Network in Spanish. I remember seeing that. Well, we were in Mexico. I don't know, maybe it's nothing, because this just opened up. Easy peasy. But maybe, I think we're supposed to go down, right? Looks like we have to go down. And this is going down. I think it might be this way over here. Oops.
I don't know if I'm gonna bring Bob out safely. I'll need to do some pest control.
We're here, though. Uh-oh. Whoa. Yeah, especially those stupid screamers. Oh, dude, I'm rewatching The Walking Dead right now from the first season. But actually, like, rewatching it for real. Like, usually when I rewatch it, I like have it in the background and stuff. But this time, I'm like, watching it, like I said, for real. Like, sitting down and stuff. Um, and I haven't done that in a while, and I'm enjoying it again. I forgot how fun that show could be. Hmm?
I do need a shower.
I don't know where one will be right now. No, unfortunately not. Probably as we keep going though, because it's a main quest. It's main quest we're doing, right? Then yeah, we'll find one for sure eventually. I have no idea. I maybe back out. I think saying to go up. Oh fuck! I'm down. How was I? I even know I was down. That's crazy. Man. On the floor? No, I'm next to you. Oh, I was next to you. Yeah, I saw you walk by me earlier.
This is going to shit.
No, I just saw you right now. You just been walking by me. No, I died down. That's weird. Yeah, I'm behind you. Oh yeah.
The rest of you too drunk to
Fixed
notice.
his last tap.
I figured.
But I got the water back on.
Oh yeah? That helps. A lot. You know, there's plenty of other folks missing. A whole bunch of them on the notice board over there.
Oh yeah? Okay. I might take a
Ruben's
look.
back in his office. You wanted him, right?
Yeah. Thanks, Denise.
That's an insult to her character.
Let Jimmy get to you. It's like that with him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Rubes.
Hey, there you go. Now keep the eyes shut. 12 hours, no light, okay?
Good news, I hope.
Yeah. This gonna be a mini series.
Isn't calling the shots anymore. The military have taken command, and they won't extract you until they have proof of your immunity.
Control freaks.
They're just so paranoid about the virus escaping from LA. They know they can't contain it if it gets
Yeah.
So you kill me, and if I stay dead, we're golden.
He basically retired.
We have to test you. But
Basically, yeah.
CDC HQ by Santa Monica Pier.
Sound trumpet.
The hell no. That was like the 4 seasons after that.
I don't think you should go alone.
Hey,
Does she mean
we
Carl?
were like cat ghosts. Fall down 9 times. Get up 10. Right?
Right.
Well, this cat will be right back.
But Rick was on the show for like 3 seasons after that.
Thin out the zombies on your way down. I don't like a building out like that.
But she had to kill those little girls. That little girl was crazy. She killed her sister. I heard he left because he did it mostly for family, but he also wanted to stay for the fans for the story. And he knew how important Rick's character was. But once they killed off Carl's character, he was like, well, if they're willing to do that to a major character, then screw it, I want out too. He just wanted to spend time with his family at the end. Yeah, I guess. I like Rick's character, he's my favorite. Yeah, but without Rick, they all would have died. Oh, I agree. Yeah, without him, it's boring. Oh no, yeah. Yeah, because the show sucked after that. I only kept watching just for out of the sunk cost fallacy, because I spent so much time. I still finished it though. I watched it all the way to the. For me, what made it boring is just they erased all the progress that Rick's character did. Like, before his character, quote unquote, died, he was trying to set up like a community of settlements and have them be joined together. And Michonne was trying to do that charter, but that was Rick's story from the comics. But then after he died, they all became isolated and they weren't talking to one another anymore. Basically, everything that Rick tried to build, it all went to nothing. It just sucks. I hate that. Just with the outcome with say what again? Out of it? I was basically saying that that they screwed up they screwed up what his character was trying to strive for, his goal, because before his character was quote unquote killed off, he was trying to join the communities together, make them work together, like Alexandria, Ocean, into each other for 7 years, I think it was in the show, and everything that Rick built, it went away. What happened? Yeah, no, they never saw each other. They because of an event that happened. At first, they were seeing each other, but then something happened, and I, I'm probably projecting, but yeah, the later seasons do suck. I agree. The best episode for me was a bonus episode. The only reason why it came out was because of the pandemic, because it made the next season take longer to come out. So they released like 4 extra episodes. And one of those extra episodes was about Daryl meeting some woman. And the only reason why I liked it was because it was about Daryl trying to find Rick after it was basically a flashback after Rick quote unquote died. That's why I liked it. But yeah, every other episode sucked. It was just dumb. And Maggie's character is boring too now. She's just always mad. I'm sorry, I'm gonna sound like a jackass, but it's like, dude, it's been 10 years since your husband died. Get over it. And then I'm not gonna lie too. This is me for sure, like being unreasonable. But Negan's new weapon is a crowbar, and that's Gordon Freeman's weapon, dude. And I'm not gonna hate him now. I'm Team Negan all the way, dude. He's got that crowbar. Smack, smack, dab, dab. That's how they sound after they get smacked. What? He was in prison though. That little joke though. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was weird. Yeah, that's not from the comics. They saved him because he's Negan. The wound just went, I'm Negan, and it closed up. Man, I remember when that show was so big, like it was on par to like Game of Thrones, like in terms of popularity. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm down again. What the hell?
Oh, Jesus! Help!
Fear the Walking Dead. Get me, Elliot! I'm dying! Don't let me die!
A little help here, please?
Oh well, thank you though. Where? I don't know where did chocolate come from. Oh, you mean the chocolate fudge? Oh no, that made sense. Remember Michonne was always out looking for the governor. So, but at the same time, she was also doing scavenging runs. So that's why she'll find Carl like comics and stuff like that. No, but she's scavenging and shit. She's like looking in the chores and stuff, and she's like, "Look at this dumbass. They try to hide it. I found it." And she wasn't like scavenging. She was like living at the prison. I would agree, but she wasn't living there. Remember, Carl would get butthurt. He's like, "You're going again?" She's like, "Yeah." It's like, yeah, because she was out looking for the governor. Yeah. Basically, yeah. Man, that show used to be pretty decent. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I remember when my friends were all into it, they made it seem like it was like the best shit since like the tits. And I was like, dude, it's okay. It's like fake implant breasts. It's okay. You know, it's not natural. But I still enjoyed it. It was fun. But, yeah. Not everything could be Game of Thrones. Yeah, for me, I think the best was up until when they made it to Alexandria. Oh shit, you're down? Where are you? Oh, I see you. Hold on, let me put the, hold on. Yeah. Ah, you whore! Like I was too excited to get to the meatball or the meatball. Out here, I was waiting for you, dude. I think you too many shots for you. Yeah. But how about you guys? What was your favorite point in The Walking Dead? Mine was when they were walking to Alexandria, when they met Aaron. Oh, season 3? That was a good season. Yeah. Yeah, it was her, Carol. She did it because they had that disease. Remember, they had the COVID. No. But she saved them though. Remember, she literally saved them. They were about to get their throats slit. I would forgive her too. I'll be like, you know what? Forgive me and tap my ass. I was about to get my throat slit, man. Yeah, Rick kicked her out. He was like, "You ain't no fit no more here. Get out." Oh, that was a good death, dude. The governor was probably one of the best villains that The Walking Dead had.
Has to wade through shit.
Yeah, you don't think like I like Negan a lot, but he's an anti-hero now. He's not really a villain anymore.
CDC. This is it.
But dude,
Those hazmat suits.
she broke after he found her again.
That's cheating.
Yeah, the governor, he had like no redemption arc. He was just evil all the way to the end. He literally had a choice, like live with us peacefully. Yeah. He was crazy. He was just so much revenge because he was mentally ill. Like Michonne, how she had her those people, her ex-boyfriend, whatever, chained up too.
Try another way.
But I feel like he organized stuff though. Like Negan wasn't just like I get like he was no Rick. Like obviously Rick's a saint compared to Negan, and and Negan wasn't a good guy too. Like remember he had multiple wives, but he did keep order though. I have to say that about him. I liked his rules. Like I'll shut that shit down. Like he warned people. Like what do I used to not like Shane too, but the more I rewatch that show, oh man, it makes me sad when he's gone now. Oh no, he's a great actor. I love him. I saw him in the Pacific too, and he did such a great job.
They were down in the
Oh, but he's a good actor that he makes you forget he was him. Like in the Pacific, you're like, oh shit, he's just a young allied soldier following the Imperial Japanese. Huh?
Oh man.
What happened?
These body bags are popping like peas.
Oh, I haven't seen that yet, unfortunately. Dude, I saw him in The Bear. He's only in The Bear for like a couple seconds or like a minute. Man, so he's a great actor though, yeah. Yeah, it is sad though when he dies in that show. Like, fuck, it's so you miss him. I blame Laurie.
Don't let it creep you out.
Yeah, it's just like imagine if Laurie wasn't there, dude. Rick, Shane, Darrow. Fuck, dude, what a fighting group. And then when they would have met Abraham, Sasha, jeez, man, unbeatable. But nah, Shane was crazy.
They were grow bags.
She was suicidal.
Body bags
Abraham.
started hatching like cocoons.
Yeah, Abraham.
People didn't stand a chance.
And her brother too. She lost Abraham and her brother. Tyrese. Oh, and Bob. Don't forget. So she lost Tyrese, Bob, and then the other one. Marshall. Who's Marshall? Morgan? Oh yeah, with Tabitha. Mm-hmm. I don't know. What? Are you guys talking about the guy who was holding King Ezekiel hostage? He looks like Junior? You guys think he looks like Junior? I think that's an insult to him, to that guy. The owner of Tabitha? Dude, no. That's not you guys. No, I thought you guys were talking about this guy. Give me a second. Give me. Yeah, that is not Junior at all, dude. No, dude, I thought you were talking about this guy. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me see. What happened? What happened? I'm trying to find it, but unfortunately, hold on. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to. I'm not gonna lie. I'm enough of a Walking Dead nerd. I know exactly which episode he's from. So let me just find. Let me just find the episode, and I can look up the actor. I'm a big Rick fan, though. Oh shit! What the hell? The Mew? Who? Who? Oh. Dare Bear? Oh, I liked him. He was cool. I was sad when they killed him. He died. Once they started getting interesting, they killed him, and I was upset about that. Who you guys talking about? Here we go. I found it now. Let me see. The Walking Dead, some guy. Here we go. I think I found it. Dun-dun-dun. Oh, dude, he's such a nobody. He has no picture. No. Let me go to Google. Oh, dude, the actor look. It's his character. I'm gonna find the. Oh my God, give me a second. The Walking Dead. I found it. Let me see. Let me go on my phone now. Yeah, this guy always reminded me of him. I would even tell my friends and even my mom. I'll be like, yeah. I'll tell my friends like, hey, this one character looks like my uncle. Like, what? Like, yeah. And then when I watched it with mom, I was like, does he look like Junior? And I was like, oh shit, yeah. Oh, maybe I'm crazy. I think he looks like Junior though. More than that guy you said. You guys are just being mean. Oh, what the hell? Hold on. That's his name. There we go. There we go. Right? Doesn't that look like him? Like a young junior in his young 20s, whatever. In his mid 20s. Yeah. Right? Come on. I might just being mean.
Okay. Need to get a blood sample without accidentally donating.
I could imagine him looking at that in the 80s.
Okay. Blood sample. No power. Classic.
But dude, that's the cool thing about The Walking Dead. I like how there's enough characters where you're like, remember that one? Yeah. That's after Rick left the show. Yeah, that was the one who caught King Ezekiel and he had him at gunpoint.
Not this one.
Not the sausage.
Oh, for real, no?
Nope.
Yeah.
Where are you, Dorian?
You guys never saw Game of Thrones, right? You guys just never got into it?
Whatever.
Really? For real? I didn't get like the incest didn't catch your attention? Yeah, for me the
Oh, so Echo means the
for me the first 4 seasons is
Dorian
Nah,
was
really great.
this ain't an echo.
I don't even the last 4 seasons I enjoy. What?
a screamer. So Dorian was working on this bed. Where's his coat?
Who, me? No, I said for Game of Thrones I like the first 4 seasons. I think they're great. But even the last 4 seasons I think they're fun. Yeah, I feel like the first 4 seasons it's like really peak television. And then after that it just becomes just really fun, great television. Like a typical television show.
This thing's firing on all 300 cylinders.
You should see a circular opening big enough to stick your arm into.
I see a road.
And if you guys want something spooky, I recommend Midnight Mass. It's that one that Netflix show.
Now what? Oi! Strong pelvic.
Midnight Mass. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of dialogue. The characters talk a lot, but it's worth it at the end. Like when everything goes down.
Any time now would be peachy.
Netflix?
Sounds like you're done. Now, the sample will dispense from the side.
I've got
Oh, are you enjoying that?
Like things wriggling around in it.
What?
Kidding. We're good.
Roots?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, I'm heading now.
Honestly, I'm not a fan of Yeah, I agree. I feel like they should have just ended it with the first season because I hate how they haven't been inside the Upside Down. They haven't been invaded or anything like that. It's just kind of boring at this point. Oh yeah, yeah,
Okay,
Papa.
right, I'm heading back.
Whoa, not so fast. I still need the equipment to perform the analysis. It's called a blood drive. Looks like a laptop.
Why didn't you mention this before? Okay, where is it?
Hopefully at the Lifeguard HQ. I sent someone to retrieve
I'm just so tired. Like that season was crazy, dude. I'm sorry, but 11 should have gone to prison
I'll
for
see
that
what I can
assault.
find.
That was crazy, dude. For her attacking that little girl with the rollerblade. That's not an excuse, dude. And in the face of the law, she would have been in trouble for sure. But she got lucky because she networks. Dude, she drew blood. That's mental. She could have caused a concussion. That's cool.
Doc, you're smiling, so must be good news, right?
So, myself and Dr. Myers checked your results twice, thoroughly, and both came to the same conclusion. I'm very sorry. Well, you tested positive.
Okay.
Now, we have phone lines ready. If there's anyone to talk to, otherwise, we have brief counselors. Very helpful with this sort of diagnosis. They may be able to help you find some resolution.
Sure. So, when can I get out of here?
Well, it's on sale. I haven't beat the first one yet.
That's impossible, and because we're still figuring out the nature of
Not that I don't like it. It's just
time today, we've already had
What are you talking about? I feel fine.
yeah. But actually, the story was so good, and I was playing it. My mom was in the living room doing something. I forgot what she was doing, and she heard the dialogue and stuff. She's like, "What's that?" And I was like, "Oh, it's a game." And then she went walking by, and she saw Daryl. She's like, "Is that Daryl?" I was like, "Yeah, it's the actor." And then she actually started watching, and she asked me, she's like, "How far are you?" And I was like, "Not too far, like 20 minutes." And she asked me, like, would I restart the game? Because she was intrigued by the story. And then she asked me to not play without her because she wanted to see the story. But then I got busy, because I think during that time it came out when I was in grad school. So then I just got busy with school. And then I don't know, I just never went back to it. And then my mom tells me she still wants to see me play it. So I think it's just been lazy. I'm down, dude. Yeah, I left off at after you take that his mom to be incriminated, and it starts raining. But yeah, I do want to get back into it. I don't even know. I think so. Hmm. Oh, the lifeguard HQ. So I'm going to assume so.
Looks like someone might be
Yeah.
home.
Oh, dude, I have a friend who. Oh shit, what was that?
Well, so I'm tripping.
Whoa, what is that? Do you hear that? Sounds like a well. Yeah. Seriously, what the hell? Whoa. What the hell is that noise, dude? That's freaky. I like it. I like it. Let's find it. I wanted to lick my ears while doing that noise. No, I'm joking.
Sorry, guys. I'm coming in there. Dinner time.
Oh, I'm down. Oh no, never mind. I'm not. It's... Oh, I'm down. It's melting me.
Someone give me a fucking hand!
I don't know. I died face down. Thank you. Freaky ticky sound in my ear. Freaky ticky sound. Dude, sounds like a well. And it's going, I don't know, but it sounds like one to me. And it's going, yo mama, yo mama. And that's why I want to find it. I want to be like, you know what, dude? Your mama. And then smack it in the face. Don't forget to use your especial. Your special. Your free. It wants to meet us, dude. We can't disappoint it. Let's go find it. Take this! Oh, nothing happened. Take that! Don't die on me, dude. That thing's freaky. And I'm scared now. So did it rock this fire? I'm gonna tell you, calm your tits. There we go. Tits have been calmed. Inventory full. Every day I see you. Oh, it's probably nothing. It's trying to scare us.
Rubes,
Oh.
there's no one here. I'm done.
Damn it. That means Dr. Bundy didn't make it. The blood drive must still be at the end of the pier.
Okay.
Cool, thank
no
you.
more goose chase. Just one, right?
down, but Bundy had the key. Try to find him.
Find Bundy, grab his key. Gotcha.
Very nice.
Bundy, can you hear me?
Zephron! I did it! I locked the clear checkpoint. It's contained.
Idiot. You need to get back there and unlock it.
What?
Release the data vault.
Oh God. Oh.
I'm gonna have to take a quick break right here. I'm gonna go make dinner. But if you wanna continue playing it around, let me know. Cool, man. Have a good night then. Hopefully we'll play tonight, if not another time. Tell Ellie I say bye too.
I think I'm having a panic attack.
Bundy, things have gone very bad.
Yeah, sounds good. Likewise.
But get a whole lot worse. So stop panicking and get to the pier.
Later.